discovered a new cool thing. 6-stroke roll plus 2, which I guess means an 8-stroke roll, but it's not. Allow me to explain. God, sounds so cool. Play around the toms. Awesome. So, what am I doing? First of all, what is a 6-stroke roll? All that is right, left, left, right, right, left. Left, left, right, right, left. Notice how there are accents at either end. So you've got a single, a double, double, single. Those single strokes are accented and the doubles in the middle are vaguely quiet. And this gives us 6 notes, and normally we play these as triplets. But if you just add an extra right, left before you do your 6-stroke, then you're left with 8 notes, which is nice because we like groups of 8 as drummers. It makes life a lot easier. Feels really good to play. It's kind of got the roll of a 6-stroke, but it's played as 16th notes or 32nd notes, and it sounds so good. Oh my God. So let me do some normal 6 strokes into this group of 8. Oh, sounds so good. Oh, we can swap it around as well. Oh. Cooking on gas. Also, try it with the right left put at the end as well. You are welcome.